Today, John and I are hiking around Lake Guntersville. Guntersville Lake was named after John Gunter, who moved here from North Carolina in 1785 and lived among the Cherokee Nation. November is National American Heritage Month, and I will be visiting several hiking trails along the Trail of Tears. And this is just one of them. A very sad time in our history, good to remember. You'll want to park at the lodge. There's plenty of parking spots, and most of the trailheads for the nature trails begin here. So from the lodge, we took Butlers Pass to Moonshine Trail, and now we are on Waterfall, which there was no waterfall. It's a bummer. Not the time of year though. It's okay. We'll be back. There's educational information about the native plants and trees all along the trail, and the trees have color-coded paint that match the trail map. That's the campground right down there, and you can totally see that it is right on the water. So if you get a campsite with your camper, you're pretty close to where there's good fishing as well as putting your boat in. Guntersville Park has 18 boat ramps to launch from, and they're all free. Check it out on alapark.com. Guntersville Lodge has camper cabins, camping, executive chalets, lakeside cabins, lodge rooms, luxury chalets, and mountaintop chalets, as well as rooms at the lodge. So if you're booking a wedding or a large event, this is definitely a beautiful venue. The Crest dining room is open on the weekends. The menu does change due to the coronavirus, so you'll want to check the website before you go. The Screaming Eagles Zip Lines and Aerial Adventure Park is easy to book at the lodge. Level 1 begins with 10 lines for $59, and Level 2 is 15 lines. And the trail to the Gear Center is an easy walk from the lodge. The Eagles Nest Golf Course is a public 18-hole golf course, and in 2009 it was renovated with dwarf Bermuda greens and rolling hills. The 18 holes in a car rental is Monday through Friday, $32. Holiday and weekends are $40. You definitely want to check regulations, hours, and tee times during COVID. So we're heading to the Town Creek Fishing Center, and according to everything I read at Guntersville, it's just a little bit of a drive, but isn't it a pretty drive? So here at the Town Creek Fishing Center, they also have kayaks and a boat slip, so you can drop your boat in here. They have canoes, lots of fishing. You can get your permit here as well, and I will include information about that below. Guntersville Lake stretches 69,000 acres and 75 miles from Nickajam Dam to Guntersville Dam. I've only touched on a few highlights here, so join me and hit the trails at a local state park near you.